Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again. Well, this time I'm going to tell you a short story again related to the use of simple past tense and direct speech. Please listen to me carefully. I got home at 6 o'clock in the evening. My wife opened the front door for me. "Good evening, Dad," she said. "Good evening, my dear," I answered. I took off my coat and sat down. "Did you catch your train this morning?" she asked. "No," I said. "I missed it. I ran all the way to the station and got there at 4 minutes past 9. Which train did you catch?" she asked. "The 9:15, I said. "What time did you arrive at the office?" she asked. "At 10 o'clock, I replied. "At 10 o'clock?" she exclaimed. "Wasn't your boss angry?" "No," I said. "My boss was late too. He arrived at 10:30. He missed his train too." Okay, it's interesting, right? Well, hopefully this video is useful for you, and if you like this video, please subscribe, share and give comment. Thanks for watching. See you later in the next video. Bye bye.